we're going to work on replacing the cable for one of the control panels here for one of our Canadian Spa saunas. This is the Jasper model. So the Jasper just has 4 screws here. We're just going to pop these out. These are just normal Phillips. So with these 4 removed, I'm going to lift this back out. Just slides out. And here you got your ribbon cable here. This is what connects the control panel to the actual, or the top side panel here to the control panel. This is just going to pull out. Got a little tab here. Just get your fingernail in there and you can slide it out. Some gentle pressure. That will come right out. So that disconnects the control panel. Off to the side. So this is also fed in through the top. So you see the sauna is assembled. When I lift up the top there, you're going to see the cable here. Okay, so this is just directly linked here. What we're going to do is going to fish this out this way. See it just coming from the top. So this is the faulty one. Take this out. We'll replace it with our good one here. So we'll feed this opposite. So there's 2 ends on this. Note that the cable you have might have 2 ends here. This is just, you can ignore this. We're just going to look on one end here right now. So you've got this end that goes to control pack, and this side goes to the top side control. So this one goes here, and this one goes to the top. So we're going to start with the one going to the top. All we're going to do is just feed this back up. Get the hole. Right here. You can pull this through. Stick this on the top of the unit. So now you have a cable sticking out here. I grab the end of this one, and just like we unplugged the other one, there are tabs. See how there's no tabs here? There's tabs here. These tabs have to line up with the slots. Plug that in. It's all nice and secure and tight in there. Okay. Feed this cable in. This back into place. Grab your screws. Plug it in on the top.